What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a brand new video on Amazon self-publishing. Really cool stuff happened yesterday for me at the end of the month. Today is February 1st, 2018. During the last day of January, I actually made in one day, $740 off of my paperbacks, mostly from my infamous, ever so infamous, Yo-Yo Tricks book, which sold 492 copies, grossing overall at $730.08. Man, that is crazy. This is the most I made in one day off of Amazon self-publishing. Doesn't even count my ebook sales or my audiobooks, so really cool. So how is this possible? What is my secret? What am I holding back that's just making me money passively with no effort, no time invested anymore into this business? How am I making it happen? My self-publishing blueprint. Your step-by-step guide to making your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing. This is the actual course I took back in May with Ameko Asai, and since then my life has completely changed. I've been able to put a fat down payment on this condo that I'm in right now. I've got a big screen TV I paid for with my Amazon earnings. Got a new car. You know, it's not all about the bling bling and all that cool and all the material stuff. It's just, making my life easier and giving me more access to the simple things in life that just, I don't have to grind as hard anymore. During my day job, stressing over bills and whatnot. Like, I've got some more flexibility, and that's how your life should be. You shouldn't be living paycheck to paycheck. So, you know what? I'm not going to tell exactly how I made this in one day publicly, but if you join today on my self-publishing blueprint, I'll break down exactly how it was possible. And let me tell you, this course price right now is, I believe, at $197. I'm tight with the Mecca, and I know this guy's going to raise the course to $300, possibly $400 anytime soon, because that's how much the course is really worth. I mean, no guarantee, but, well, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. But, I think anyone can make their money back off of this program in 2 months. It's with Amazon, of all people, of all corporations. It's not a scam or anything like that. Try it out. And, I only work with action takers. So I'm not going to answer PMs on Facebook on how I do my keyword research or how I'm pulling in money. But if you join the group, I will reveal exactly how I'm making $750 on Sundays with my books. So I'll see you here. I'm going to drop you a link below for my self-publishing blueprint. Be sure to check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.